Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So, today topic is hypothesis. Hypotheses are defined as the formal statement of tentative or accepted prediction or explanation of the relationship between two or more variables in a specified population. Hypothesis is considered as an intelligence guesses, predictions, the given direction or the researcher to answer the research questions. Hypothesis is a formally tentative statement of the accepted relationship between two and more than variable of the studies कि जितने भी हमारे जो हाइपोथेसिस होते हैं वो हमें क्या कराते हैं, हमारे लिए प्रिडिक्शन कराने में हमारे इंडिपेंडेंट और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के बीच में हम रिलेशनशिप को और उसके कॉजेज एंड इफेक्ट को जो हम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो हमें हेल्पफुल करते हैं वो हमारे हाइपोथेसिस होते हैं. हाइपोथेसिस इज इक्वल टू अजम्पशन फिनोमिया एंड सेट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स. Contribution of hypothesis, it providing clarity of the research problem and research objective. It describe, explain the prediction, accepted result or outcome of the research. Second one, indicate the types of research design. And third one, the direct to the research study or process. Fourth one, identify the population of the research study that to be investigation and examined. इन फैसिलिटिंग डाटा कलेक्शन, डाटा एनालिसिस एंड डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. कि कहने का मतलब है कि जो हाइपोथेसिस है वो हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल कैसे होता है कि फर्स्ट वन हमें वो क्या करता है कि हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती है उससे रिलेटेड हमें जो एक्सप्लेन करने में उसको प्रिडिक्ट करने में हेल्पफुल करता है, उससे रिसर्च डिज़ाइन बनाने में, उसको प्रोसेस को इम्प्लीमेंट कराने के लिए और इन्वेस्टिगेशन वर्क करने में, और उनसे रिलेटेड जितनी भी हमारी डेटा ऑफ कलेक्शन हो सकती है, डाटा एनालिसिस किया जाता है और डाटा प्रिडिक्शन की जाती है, वो सारी सारी हमारे किसके अकॉर्डिंग की जाती है, हाइपोथेसिस के अकॉर्डिंग आ जाती है. फंक्शनिंग क्या है, इन अनेबल टू इन्वेस्टिगेटर टू द स्टार्ट ऑफ द रिसर्च वर्क. एंड सेकंड वन, इट मे लीड ऑफ द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ द अनदर हाइपोथेसिस. थर्ड वन, लीड टू इंटरप्रेट रिजल्ट ड्राइंग इन कंक्लूजन रिलेटेड ऑफ द ओरिजिनल पर्पज. Types of hypothesis. First one, simple hypothesis. Simple hypothesis is that one in which there are existing relationship between two variable. One is called independent variable and second one dependent variable. Example, smoking leads to cancer. Second one, complex hypothesis. Complex hypothesis is that one which with the relationship among the variable existing in the types of dependent and independent variable are more than two. For the example, smoking and other drugs leads to cancer, tension and chest infection, etc. Third one, imperial hypothesis. Imperial, which means is base of the evidence. The scientific method of the word imperial refer to the using the word hypothesis that can be tested and using observation and experiment. Imperial data is a produced in experiment and observation. For the example, the simplest of the imperial hypothesis in case investigation research and adequate implementation of assuming the question. How is the ability of ninth class student in the learning moral value. Fourth one, null hypothesis. Null the hypothesis, there are the no significant difference between the specified population, any observation different being the sampling or experimental error, is denoted by H0. Alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis denote H1 and HA is hypothesis that simple observation are influencing by the some random cases. Scientific statistical hypothesis. A hypothesis which can be verified statistical called statistical hypothesis. This statement would be logical and illogical but be statistical verified but statement of statistical hypothesis. Directional hypothesis. Directional hypothesis product to direction of the relationship between the independent and dependent variable. For the example, high quality of nursing education will be led by the high quality of nursing practices skills. Girls' ability to learn moral sciences is better than in boys.